Here at this farm for my second load. My fourth load of the day, but second one here. Pouring some pads inside some barns that are too short for our trucks to get in. So use a nice big skid steer, the nice big skid steer bucket. This is one of our regular farms we come to. Lots of barns here, lots of cattle. Staying pretty busy for a rainy day. It's been raining off and on all day since I left the house at 5:30 this morning. And we still got more to do this afternoon yet. These are pretty simple pours. Just keep loading the buckets. Nothing real exciting, but it's a job. And they're not really going that far away. And they're just pouring right over here. The clearance is too low for these trucks. That happens a lot. Cows. about on this pour. Fairly simple. Probably won't video the whole pour on this one. I think we might be moving to a different location soon anyways. Maybe not, I don't know. Supposed to be a balance after this load. Somebody else will grab that. But for rainy weather, we're pouring a surprisingly large amount of concrete. This one's at least undercover. The ones this morning weren't, but we caught it between rain showers and it worked out. It'll rain for 15-20 minutes and then it'll stop for a half hour, 45 minutes, and just off and on all day. Can't really complain, we need the rain. Especially this time of year. Just makes it hard to pour concrete is all. I already did a short on my first pour here, so I figured I'd give you guys a video of it. Like I said, nothing real exciting. The shorts make it look better. But somebody's got to do it, right? Well, thank you all for watching. I'm going to cut the video short here. It's just doing this over and over again. Y'all have a great day.